Hello, YouTube. I thought I heard something. Anyways, this is where we eat sometimes together. I was craving ice cream, and I got ice cream, but I also got a poutine because I went to Dairy Queen. Let me show you. It looks a little sad. I was expecting it to look a little better. The picture, you know when the picture gets you? You guys can have a first bite though. All 5 of you guys that watch me, here's your first bite. So, I want to tell you about my day. First of all, I've been on a 3-day BAN from TikTok Live, so whenever that happens, I kind of like take a little break in general. Like I have my backup account, but it gets like no views, so I kind of just take it as a break. Anyways, so I don't know if I told you guys. I have that landscaping company come and do a spring cleanup of my yard. They came. It's been looking so good. I put a sprinkler out today and watered the grass because it was so dry. And I also got that that stake for like animals, and then you buy the leads and they attach them. I got those for my cats. And first of all, the first day I had it, Jinx came out. He was freaking out though whenever I went near him. Like you know how crocodiles, alligators will do that death roll? That's what Jinx was doing. And he was doing it again today. Luna, on the other hand, completely broke out of her collar and ran off. Which was fine. She ended up coming back and going inside, but it was just annoying. So once she got off, I let Jinx off and I let them both roam around. Because if I'm going to struggle with one, they may as well both get out and enjoy the weather. So I'm going to have to get her a different collar. She got out of it so easy. Jinx doesn't really get it. Luna, first thing, she's so smart. But yeah, it was so hot out today. Went on live for a bit, watered my grass. Tomorrow my BAN is up at 3 p.m. So I'm gonna go to the gym in the morning, go to church in the morning. And wait till 3 o'clock when I can go live. Okay, one more bite and then I need to move on to this ice cream. I can't forget about you guys. What the heck is going on? So good. Okay, now the main event. I got a chocolate brownie explosion. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's getting everywhere. Did you guys' mom ever make you do that? Lick the outside of your ice cream so it doesn't freaking spill everywhere? I have to wash my hair tomorrow anyways, it's fine. But you guys have the first bite. It's so good. I have really been cutting people off lately. Like, really getting rid of them. It feels amazing. I feel like I'm entering into this new era where, like, I've wanted peace for a while and stuff, but, like, true, like, peace. I'm seeing that guy again. Not my ex, the other one. I really like him. And I feel like we can make it work. I think we can make it work. Yes. I don't know if he's planning something. But I think he might be coming out to visit me soon. He knows I'm going to, like, see my sister at the end of the month. I don't know. I just really like him. And if he doesn't, then I'm flying out there. I'm actually watching his live right now. I just turned the volume down so I could talk to you guys. So good. Also, I think I kind of found my stride for YouTube about how I want to do it. I'm going to do more short videos. Eating videos, update videos. So, I have a new series starting tomorrow. I'm really excited. This is so delicious. Oh, I'm gonna die. Anyways. It's kind of big. How much is in here? Damn. Too much. More for later. Okay, well, My new series is starting tomorrow. I'm so excited. Also, let me know if you guys like being right here better, or like the last video where I had you guys on my steering wheel and you were closer to me. Let me know. It's Saturday night and I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna go have a bath probably and go to bed. So I hope you're all having a safe Saturday too. And please come watch my start of my first series tomorrow. Bye.